Her cubs must feed on her fat-rich milk every 3 to 4 hours if they are to survive. And there is no food for her here. Soon she will have to take the cubs and leave. But judging when to go is a huge decision. If she leads them on this journey too soon, they might not be strong enough to survive. If she leaves it too late, they will starve. As the skies clear, the northern lights dance above the polar bear family as they sleep. Thankfully, the next day is perfectly calm. Mum seizes the opportunity to start their journey.